Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2011 Coachmen Concord 300 TS triple slide luxury Class B plus motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 32 feet and the exterior height to the air conditioners is 10 feet 7 inches. As far as condition, 1 through 10, 10 being the best, it's definitely, I would think, a 9. I think any dealer would agree with me. A few of the day-night shades are bent up. They're the paper day-night shades, and I'll show the ones that are bent up. It's really just 2 of them that I'll point out. This is second owner coach. The only reason why the current owner is selling it is because they're done with the RV lifestyle. Okay, this is a triple slide Class B plus motorhome. First slide out accommodates the Hide-A-Bed ultra leather sleeper sofa and the range top, cooktop counter, and the slide out is going to be about 8 foot long and about maybe 2.5 foot deep. And again, this is a Hide-A-Bed ultra leather sleeper sofa. Most of your competitors in this line will only offer a jackknife sleeper sofa. All the upholstery is all new. It's all been reupholstered here, I think, within the past 12 months. It's all ultra leather. Here's one of the day-night shades. They're the paper that Coachmen offered in 2011. But anyway, you can easily upgrade them. It's a non-issue. Okay, keeping into the slide out here, you do have the 3-burner luxury gas cooktop. Sit in your regular RV cooktop. This is a kind of a glass finish. Show that off. This is definitely a lot nicer than your traditional 3-burner gas cooktops. It's called the half-time oven. It's basically a convection oven, and it literally cooks in half the time. Show the half-time convection microwave. And you do have pots and pans drawer up underneath. You do have full-length metal drawer guides. It's definitely a nice feature, not the plastic guides or just the cheap metal guides. You do have brushed nickel finish on your hardware. I do want to point out just a little glass protection while you're cooking. And I'm not sure what they're calling the cabinets, maybe a maple. Okay, second slide out is opposing the first one, so you have huge square footage in the living room area. It accommodates the boot dinette. Boot dinette breaks down into a bed. The table collapses down, makes into a nice double. Definitely sleep comfortably 2 kids, no problem at all, or one grown adult. You do have storage up underneath each booth, and again, all the upholstery is all brand new. And it's all ultra leather. Day-night shades, and these are all in excellent condition. Show off your window treatments there. Their colors are going to be tans, silvers, maybe a copper color, and some brown. Okay. Walk back into the kitchen area here. I do want to show off that wood plank aluminum linoleum flooring, residential grade, stain resistant, easy to clean. Going to be your solid surface Corian style countertop, not the Formica top or just a wrapped laminate top. Nice deep double bowl sink with covers. You have a nice Bowen style sprayer faucet, and you do have an Adaleaf, and that's also the solid surface style. And I do want to point out you are solid surface on the countertop surrounding the 3-burner cooktop, and more storage. All your drawer fronts and cabinet fronts are going to be solid wood. Your refrigerator is going to be I believe it's going to be a 6 cubic foot Dinette refrigerator, gas electric. Turn it on a couple hours later, you're ready to go. Open that up for you, show that off. It's not on right now, but the owners do have a little thermostat up here. It tells you if it's not cold enough, but the owners just turned this on maybe an hour ago, so it hadn't had a chance to cool off. Okay, walk back into the master bedroom here, passing the hallway shower. It's going to be your queen master bedroom. It's going to be your third slide out. Queen bed slides out. The slide out is going to be maybe 6 foot wide and maybe about 2.5 foot deep. And there's your second night shade, that's day night shade, that's kind of bent up a little bit. And again, they're the paper, but those are the only two, the one in the living room and this one, that you might want to think about replacing. This is an ultra plush queen mattress. You have a huge rear window here that I'll show you outside. They used to call it like a church window or a cathedral window. Storage up above the bed, and you have nice reader lights. Huge closets. I do check for water damage on all four corners of every RV. I didn't find any issues. I do check for any wrinkling in the wallpaper. I didn't find any issues at all. No issues. There's your beautiful cedar lined closet, and the other one is also cedar lined over here. Nice light. Turns off automatically when you close the door. And this is going to be cable and satellite ready, cable ready, at least in the bedroom here. You put your TV right there. If you want a flat screen, you can do that. Nice wood pocket door for privacy, not just accordion door, which is definitely nice. Okay, your central command is going to be right here. You have full controls of where your tanks are, tank levels, and then your let's see here, generator start button. I believe generator has 132 hours on it, almost 133 hours. Water pump switch, gas electric switches for your 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. This is going to be your slide buttons here, and you've got override. It's going to be your living room slide button and kitchen, and then this is your manual override and your button for your bedroom. Pretty nice feature. Okay, and all your AC is going to be ducted all the way through. I believe they're putting a 15,000 BTU AC unit on this coach. Nice linoleum through your high traffic area. Show off the bathroom here. Foot flush porcelain high-rise toilet. And again, lots of storage. You can use all that as a medicine cabinet there. And okay, this is going to be the wrap countertop. And anyway, it's definitely a lot nicer than just your traditional laminate or Formica tops. Nice stainless steel sink. And you are ducted AC and ducted heat in the bathroom. I do want to point out you do have a beautiful soft touch vinyl ceiling. See if I can get the light on there. Easy to clean. It actually adds more insulation. And this is definitely, you can go into extended seasons on this coach. This coach does have tank heaters on it. I forgot to point that switch out on that command center. But anyway, you can go into a little bit colder weather if you wanted that option. You do have it. And the idea of that floor plan here, go up to the cockpit area. Cockpit areas, CD, DVD player, MP3 ready. You can hook up your smart device to it. USB ports right here. And it's by Jensen. You have exterior speakers that I'll show you on the outside. Kind of like a home theater sound system on this. This is going to be your digital video hookups here. Flat screen TV, and I'm not sure what size it is, maybe a 28-inch Jensen. More storage up here. Go ahead and show that to you. Keep any odds and ends. You do have recessed, beautiful recessed puck lights. Those puck lights are really nice. In 2011, that definitely was a pretty nice feature. Show off the cockpit in the end when I do my walk around on the outside, but I've got a great angle. All the upholstery again is all new, even on the seats, excellent condition, showroom. Definitely on the inside of the coach, except for the two blinds, definitely showroom condition, I would definitely say. Go ahead and go outside here. I do want to point out, let's turn off the generator, turn off the heat, or I'm sorry, turn off the AC, and then I'll turn off the generator. Okay. point out some of your other switches here. These are going to be your light switches there. Kind of pause on that for a second. There's your battery disconnect down at the bottom. Saves you on your battery when you're not using it. Electric step right there up the top. Nice 110 outlet there. You've got 110 outlets all over this coach for a little 32 footer Class B plus. Got a lot of outlets. Back up here. Show off that beautiful full body paint. Forgot what they're calling the paint package on this. It's a silver color, but anyway, it's all full body paint. There are no decals on it whatsoever. Coach is sitting on the E450 Super Duty chassis. It's got the Triton V10 engine, 6.8 liter, 305 horsepower, gasoline engine. Beautiful progressive front cap on this. That's how you can tell if it's a Class B plus. You get the just really aerodynamic front end on that. Beautiful front molded fiberglass cap. Radius lines. Show off that front grille. Go ahead and start on this side first. I do want to point out, as far as condition on the outside, there's a few little rock chips. It's a non-issue. There's some touch-up paint that the owner actually showed me in the glove compartment, and if you wanted to touch it up, see, there's another little one. It's definitely normal wear and tear, but other than that, exterior is beautiful. The full body paint, gel coat finish. This is one of the best paint jobs you're going to get, definitely on a Class B plus motorhome. Kind of back up here, show off that color scheme. Okay, your awning, I forgot to check on the awning. It's going to be maybe a 16 foot. It's a manual awning. Showing some signs of wear, but I'm sure it's got a few more years on it before you decide if you want to change it. You do have the ride right feature on this coach, so you can adjust the ride settings. Exterior speakers there. You do have the slide out awning package, awnings over all the slide outs. Show off the Concord badge right there by Coachmen. 110 outlets there, and that's going to be probably cable. Yeah, cable hookup. This thing fell off. But all your tires were replaced in 2014. See if I can show the manufacturing date on this front one. They're all matching. Okay, there's your manufacturing date right there. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the 4-digit number in the circle here, that's how you tell the date of the tire when it was manufactured. It was manufactured the 9th week of 2014. And they're in excellent condition. They're all Michelins. Here, show off the size there in case somebody wants to do some research. See how much they are, brand new. These are the best tires you can get. These are the LTX series. There we go. These tires, it's 2018, and these tires, as far as the manufacturer's recommendation, this still has another 4 years. 6 to 8 years the lifespan of an RV tire. Okay, speed up this video. It's going to be some of your exterior storage. So slam latch baggage door is there. Little crank there down below to put down your spare tire. You do have a full spare tire on this coach. Beautiful rear cap also. Rear molded fiberglass cap. Nice beautiful rear window. Tinted windows. I'm not sure what they're calling the tint percentage on this, but there's your backup camera. And your monitor on your dash shows up the rear here when you activate the backup camera. Nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof that has been just recently resealed with lap sealant. You have 5,000 pound towing capability on this coach. It does have the tow package on it. There's your slide out awnings. Show off that back side here. Storage right here, I believe, is going to be your exterior, kind of almost a pass-through. This is going to be up underneath your queen bed. Huge storage for a 32-foot Class B plus motorhome. You do have nice lights. Exterior compartment lights, outside shower right there. Here's going to be your water hookups. See, look, even in your service panels are all painted. It's nice. Kind of pause on that for a second. tank fill. Your freshwater tank, I believe, is going to be 36 gallon freshwater. Your holding tanks, gray and black, I believe are going to be right around 28 gallons each. And there's your city hookup right there. Easy to winterize. Just flip a few switches. You're ready to go. Again, all the access compartment doors are all painted. They're not just white. 30 amp service. Sewer hose goes here. And 55 gallon gasoline fuel cell on this coach. And there's your black tank sewer flush hookup. You don't have to drag a hose inside to rinse out your toilet. It's your 6 gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. You have more storage up underneath there. That's going to be your generator. I believe it's going to be a 4,000 Onan generator. Gasoline back up here. Show off the color scheme. There's no delamination on this coach whatsoever. I checked it. For delamination, stress cracks around the slide outs, anything that may be an issue to a potential buyer, I didn't find any issues except the little rock chips that I showed you on that one side. See if it shows it right here. A little bit. Yeah, there's one. There's probably just a few little small areas. Okay, this does have the full fiberglass running board package on this coach. Nice breakaway mirrors. They are painted. Again, full body paint. Beautiful. Can't get any better. Show off the cockpit seats there. Again, they're all reupholstered recently within the past 12 months. Gonna sit up here in the cockpit. Start it up. 305 horsepower. See if it shows the mileage. I don't know if you can see it on there. There we go. 21,968 miles on this coach currently as it sits. It's going to be your display for your backup camera. This is also your stereo. It's easy to figure out. It's 2018. These are pretty simple to figure out. I do believe you have MP3 hookup on this. And these are going to be all your gauges for your thermostats. Nice wood grain finish on the center console here. And emergency start button ties your house battery and chassis battery together. Center console, I believe, pops out. You want that option? Power windows, power locks. Okay. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.